Hey guys, this is CJ from Spreadsheets.com, and today I'm going to show you how to remove repeating space in your spreadsheet data directly online without using any complicated formulas. And so let's get started. First, go to Spreadsheets.com/remove minus repeating minus space, and then you will land on this page which already has an example input and example output. So in the example input, it is already highlighted which cell value have repeating spaces. So in this case here, there are two spaces, 1 and 2, between the two names. And here you have even more, you have 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3 spaces. And in the output, it will remove all these spaces to be 1. So any repeating amount of spaces will be casted to 1 in the output directly without using any formulas. And if you scroll down, the configure option will pop up, and you can select if you want to replace this in the entire table or only selected column. Let's say you have this data also in column B, and it will highlight in column B and it will replace automatically in column B if you have entire table selected as the replacement scope. If you only select column B, then the repeating spaces in your column A will not be touched, and only the column B repeating spaces will be replaced. If you want, you can download the data, or you can copy the data here and paste to your local Excel. And this is how you remove repeating space directly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.